Okay guys, do you want to learn how to dance wave? Because I want you to learn and I'm very excited to show you. Okay, so we have different variants of waves. We have forward wave, backward wave, side wave. But I want to start from regular wave. Go ahead and put one leg in front, diagonally I can say. So it's basically it's on the side, but then you turn your shoulders diagonally and you move it a little bit in front. Then bend your knees and here magic happens. Move your chest forward, then you move your stomach forward and in this moment your chest going already further backward. Then your hips moving forward and you kind of in this not comfortable position. And then you see you have open stomach. Then you close it, so literally close it. And then you move your hips backward and you bump the backward side. And again, chest forward, ribs forward, stomach forward, hips, thighs. Then you move thighs backward, hips backward, stomach backward, and boom!
How's my wave?
If we try to do the wave together and close our feet, so we need to bump each other with the chest, then with stomach, then with hips, then with knees, and here, you see, we move our hips from each other and we bump. Yeah, and we do again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can do this wave either in a 6 position, either you point one toe, you can do on the straight legs, yes, or you can bend both legs, or if you do this in a couple, you can do, for example, something like that. Chest, chest, or 2 legs together. So here you can add sometimes head wave, but be careful. Sometimes it looks funny, okay? You're like a dinosaur. He likes to be dinosaur in our family. Okay. If you do the head roll, you need to put your chin a little bit down, okay? A little bit. Then move it like a little bit forward. Imagine that you're like a car and you're driving forward. And then do everything from the head. So you kind of do like head accent. And it's gonna be really fast. And so this action down to go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 1, 2, 3. It's like hey, 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 hey. I can also add this stretch. Your shoulders go a little bit inside. Make sure that you're not looking old and weak. And here you stretch and then you go a little bit inside. Okay, a little bit, so I don't want to see like this.
God, you're like an old woman.
Here, try whatever wave you want to do, forward, legs together. And what about side wave? It's the same pretty much. And we do the same head action, but it's not like forward, it's like side. Hey, 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 and then we move it and imagine that hey, and then someone stretch your head. Then do the hey this way. Hey, and I stretch his head. Head goes first, then your shoulders. You stretch your rib cage to the side. Check that you have short side, okay? And your hip is looking up, and this kind of this position. So your shoulders already straight, head straight, because you finished this line. And then you shift this hip to the right, and then your head goes, then your shoulder goes, and you see. Then we put it straight, so it's not diagonally anymore. Our hip is up and we finish this swing action. So it's head and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then you need to decide how long you do it. First of all, I recommend you to try this on 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But then you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Or for example, wave forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can say the quicker you do, the less parts of your body you use. For example, when you do fast, you use chest, and then you have open stomach, and then you close it. Chest and this action, chest and this. When you have slow, you do like a bigger amplitude, of course, more further forward and backward, and you can also engage your head.
It's a big wave shape. This is great.
To the side, you always kind of engage your head a little bit, but also the same thing. We're not going far away, and we're doing this fast, and that's why we're not traveling a lot. So, I think that was very, very clear. You can try different ways together, forward and backward, and let's try to do the same backward. So how we do this backward? We do like in the reverse mode.
Reverse.
So we stretch our hips and our thighs forward. Imagine that you're sitting in a high chair. Then we stretch our belly to each other. Yes, then we touch with our chest and then with our head. And again, let's do from forward wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. And our head can go a little bit up. Finish the wave. If we engage only chest, in this case we don't need to do this. If we did with our head, we can do this extra action. So let's try to do this wave when our one leg is forward. And we do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hips forward. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you like it. That was LaVida Dovgan on Dovgan Dance. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.